So here we go. Today's lesson is about percentage change, right? So here's our title. So we're going to write that down in our books, underline nice and neatly. Make sure, look, we're using a ruler. Okay, and so you can put today's date down there as well. So let's have a look at a couple of examples, okay? And then you can get straight in doing some questions. So let's have a little look. Here's a typical kind of question. It says, find the percentage change from 60 to 80. Okay, now percentage change is actually a really important thing to be able to work out, because it's talking about, we might want to know our percentage profit or maybe our percentage loss, right? These things are really, really important, right? Because it's a measure of how much better or how much worse something has actually got. So let's have a look. It says find the percentage change. Now this, it might say find the percentage increase or find the percentage profit. So let's find the real increase. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Remember, when you do these questions in a minute, I want you to take down the examples first. Whoops. It's like a spelling issue. Right, the real increase is 80, take away 60. Remember, don't mind you using a calculator as long as you write down what you're doing. So 80 take away 60. So the real increase, the actual increase, is 20. So then what we need to do, think back to what we were doing previous lesson, is now we're going to express this here as a percentage of what we started from. Okay, so it's just a slight sort of addition to what we were doing. So 20 is the increase, is the change. And then we're going to divide that by 60. And then we're multiplying it by 100 because we want it as a percentage. Okay? Think like that. We've got another example there. So let's just pop that into our calculator. Okay, now remember, you can just type 20 divided, if you prefer, just type 20 divided by 60 if your calculator is not a scientific calculator. If you've got a nice scientific calculator like this, you can make it look like this, okay? And that's the advantage of having a nice calculator. So 20 divided by 60, okay? And then we just multiply by 100. There we go. So I've got 33.3%. I'm just going to take it as one decimal place, okay? I don't know if you can quite see it. There's a little dot just there, look. Just maybe if we could just get it so you can see it. There's a little dot above that 3. And what that means is it means it's actually 33.3333 and lots of 3's carrying on. But we're just going to write it so one decimal place. So we're just going to write 33.3%. Okay, remember those 3's carry on. Okay, but we're just going to 1 D P. That means one decimal place. Okay, one more example, then you can go do the questions, right? It's the same idea, okay? It's the same idea. So find the percentage change from this figure to this figure. So let's find the real increase, first of all. So the real increase is, let's take away this. 290, take away 210, okay? If you wish, calculator's fine, okay? Just write down what you're doing. That's the only rule, okay? So that's 80. So remember now, what the actual question says is it says find the percentage change. So it's, this is the change. So it's this as a percentage of what we started. So remember now, it's going to be 80 divide 210 and then multiply by 100, okay? Make sure you're writing these workings, all right? If you write the workings, you're more likely to remember for next time. So again, now this time I'm actually going to do it using my nice scientific calculator, okay? So 80, this is the advantage. Remember, if you've not got a scientific calculator, just do 80, divide 210, and multiply the answer by 100 to get it as a percentage. All right. Remember, this is the advantage of having a nice calculator, because you can see there. There's no like, oh, wait a minute, if I type the right thing in. Look, it's all nicely displayed. I'll just check and make sure it's exactly what I wrote down. And press it. And a calculator, believe it or not, it's actually this calculator, it's trying to be helpful, okay? I don't want my answer as a fraction. I want it as a decimal. Okay, and there we go. It's 38. Now just going to put 38 points. Now remember, I only want one decimal place. So it's 0.9. Actually, that's closer to 38.1 than it is to 38.0. Because of that 9, it means it's come closer. All right? So if you get any like that, we can write them. Another. All right. There you go. Right. So you're going to have a go at the questions. Remember what I'm looking for. I'm looking for nice, clear workings. All right. I much prefer you to go and do that on the questions. The answers are there, but I'm interested in the workings. Okay. You can obviously mark your work as you go through. Okay. Right. There you go. Right. See you soon.
If you enjoyed that video, please like and subscribe or leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. I've been RMS Maths and I'll see you next time. Maths out.